Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this word problem. It's a little more complicated than our previous word problem. They've given us a triangle, but they've given it to us as a description of a problem. They haven't drawn us a diagram. Alright, let's see if we can make our triangle from these words. We have a pilot that sets out from an airport with a heading of due north. After traveling 600 miles, he turns 36 degrees towards the west and travels another 300 miles before landing at another airport. Determine the distance between the two airports. So first, let's recognize that on a compass, um, north and south are in opposite directions, and if north is up, then west is to the left, and east is here to the right. All right, so um, I have this initial airport, and if you're traveling due north, you're just traveling, in this case, straight up if I go by this compass setting. If you go 600 miles, then you're going to turn 36 degrees towards the west. So if you turn 36 degrees towards the west, that's telling us that this angle is 36. All right. You fly some distance and it says 300 miles, and you end up at the other airport. So I can call this initial airport A and this other airport B. And what they want me to do is to find that distance between A and B. They want me to find this. So I have my triangle here. Now, the 36 degrees is not an angle that's inside my triangle, but I know that right here is a straight angle. I know that this angle inside this triangle has to be the supplement of 36. So if I take 180 minus 36, I'm getting tired and I don't want to make a silly mistake. 144, that's what I thought. 144 degrees. All right. So now, what I have is a side angle side situation. I have this side, which is 300. I have this side, which is 600, and I have the included angle. I'm going to solve this with the law of cosines. I don't have a known pair, so I can't use the law of sines. It wants to know the distance. This was A, this was B. Let's call this angle 144 C. The length of C right there. C is the distance between these two airports. That's what it wants me to find. So I can find it directly from the law of cosines. I look to a reference sheet and I see that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times the cosine of angle C. Since I'm finding the length, I'll take the square root of each side, and I'll take the positive square root. I don't want a negative length. So I'm ready to substitute in my known values. I know that A was 300 miles, so I've got 300 squared. I know that B was 600 miles, 600 squared. 2 times the 300 times the 600, and this angle C was an obtuse angle of 144 degrees. All right. Let's go to the calculator. Make sure that we're in degrees. Make sure that we're set. Didn't tell us to round it to anything, so 2 decimals will be fine. Let's take the square root, and let's key in 300 squared. Let's key in 600 squared minus 2 times 300 times 600 times the cosine of 144. I don't have to close the parentheses, but I will. All right, I'm getting a distance, at least to 2 decimals, of 860 0.96. Hey, 861 miles. All right, so I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.